Hey everybody, this is Craig Helm. I'm a realtor here with Central Florida with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, where our name is our promise. And what I'm going to talk today about briefly is home improvements from $400 to $750. And basically, what the focus is on the bathroom, kitchen, and so on, and rugs, carpets, and so forth. You can actually add value to a home by updating the bathroom. Let's say maybe an updated vanity, get rid of the outdated vanity. Update the plumbing, lighting fixtures, maybe a tile floor, get rid of some of the, if it's an old floor, update the floor. That can improve the show value of your home and entice buyers, more buyers that and draw interest that getting buyers to make offers on your home. Another update is usually a big focus in a home is the kitchen, and like any upgrades, this kind of watch how much value you put into it. If you're selling a home and you're worried about cost recovery when you sell it, don't put a lot of money into the kitchen. But however, you can maybe replace the sink, upgrade the sink with and the fixtures, the hot water, cold water fixtures. Put in a brand new stainless steel. Little updates like that. Maybe some finishing, maybe on the cabinets. Clean the cabinets up. Maybe put some polish on them, or even if you want, you can paint them or refinish them. If they're wood cabinets, wooden door cabinets, maybe consider refinishing. Maybe put some polish, some coat of polish on them, or refinish them. If it's not too much. That's usually not too much money to put into. The other area too of focus is replacing worn out carpets or rugs. That's probably one of the biggest turnoffs. Is anybody comes into a home and they see an old raggedy carpet, that gets their attention, and it may turn out buyers that would may have an interest in your home. So I would definitely spend the money and upgrade the carpets and so on. And it's just something like little things like that make it more enticing for buyers, and I would definitely take a look into that. Also, consider maintenance. If you have anything that's broken that needs repair, chips in wall paint, cracks in the walkways, little things like that. Um, Maybe think about putting a few $100s in minor repairs. And here's some additional tips too as well. Like I just came across landscaping. If you want to upgrade your landscaping a little bit, make it clean. Uh, take care. Do things. Maybe the lawn. Clean up the lawn. Maybe weed it. Get rid of some of any weeds in it, make it look more enticing. Basically little things like that. It's and paint the and somebody I also read about the front door. If you have a door that's enticing enough, somebody just said painting the door either like a reddish color or something that is attractive also helps to create a come in buyer type atmosphere, and little things like that could really help a lot in making your home more enticing for future buyers. But anyway, that's all I have for today. And don't forget to check out my YouTube videos on the Central Florida real estate. I have a whole slew of educational videos, tips, and on what to do, what not to do. First-time home buyers, what to do when you're secured a mortgage. Things you don't want to do that could adversely affect your credit in buying a home or getting that mortgage to go through. But anyway, take care. And I can be reached anytime from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Sunday. And my number is 407 723 7976. You can leave me a message, text me. Text is usually the preferred method of contact. But anyway, have yourself a great week. And like I said, don't forget to check out those educational videos on Central Florida Real Estate. Subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for new videos. Take care and have a great week. Bye.